Land Cruiser's passing out 3 cars. He's still passing out 3 cars. He's still passing out 3 cars. He's still passing out 3 cars. And he's looking at me. Yeah, go fuck yourself and all, mate. Like I'm doing this on purpose. Anyway, we are here now. Let's see what's wrong with it. I'm not gonna make it. There's cars behind me. Seriously annoyed. This thing is spluttering. I'm coming to a roundabout. Oh no, there's a car. I have to stop. This is not good. Oh no, it's gone. It's gone. No, it hasn't. Yes, it has. Wow, there's loads of cars behind me that are seriously stopped. Come on. Come on. Come on. We've only literally got half a mile to go. That's why I'm driving it. Again, it's for another garage, but they didn't tell me it was this bad now. Because if it was this bad, well, I think I would have recovered it on the old recovery lorry. Because the amount of people that I am pissing off right now is quite a large amount of them. And I'm coming up a hill, and come on, I mean, I am balls out, like foot to the floor, balls out, and it's just not going anywhere. It's a Volkswagen Polo, if you didn't realise from the dash. Right, I've given you plenty of room to overtake me. I've got my hazards on. And now it's just as this car is overtaking me, it just decided to pick up. Now it stopped again. Oh, we've lost power. No, we've got it back. Come on! I'm sorry, people. Like, I'm sorry. This is not good for me, just as it's not good for you. But I am holding up a few Audis, which is kind of makes me smile, to be honest, because we all love Audi drivers, don't we? Oh, come on, come on. It's gone. It's gone. No, it's come back. It's come back. Wow. Can I just hop into my go into 3rd gear? Oh, 3rd gear is a bit better. Oh, 3rd gear. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, no. I was gonna say 3rd gear started working. But it's not. So should we try 4th? Oh, Land Cruiser's passing out 3 cars. He's still passing out 3 cars. He's still passing out 3 cars. He's still passing out 3 cars. And he's looking at me. Yeah, go fuck yourself and all, mate. Like I'm doing this on purpose. Anyway, we are here now. Let's see what's wrong with it. Right, if you haven't guessed by now, it sounds like a misfire. It smells of fuel, so I'm guessing a misfire. I'm going to diagnose it with the thermal imager. I'm not going to plug it in, I'm just going to diagnose it with the thermal imager. So let's see if I can just do this without plugging it in. So, oh, you got a hot spot on there. We're okay on that one. Calibrating, I hate that. We're okay on that one. Go back to number 1. We have a hot spot on number 1. And we don't know any. It's a shame we can't get to the manifold properly, because we could even check the manifold. But we have a hot spot on number 1. So I'm going to say number 1 coil pack is gone. Not going to plug it in. That's what I'm going to say. So we'll order one, we'll see what happens. And what you can do if you really want to be sure, now it could also be a spark plug, but I doubt it. But we'll be replacing the spark plugs anyway. But what you can do if you really want to make sure it's the coil pack and not the wiring, because let's face it, it could be the wiring. Take the bad coil and put it to number 2, 3 or 4, 5 cylinder, whatever, and see if the error code goes to that cylinder. Then you will know. I can see these are aftermarket. Well, that one's an aftermarket coil. That one is an aftermarket coil. That's a genuine coil. So these two are shit anyway. But yeah, let's put the new one in now. Right, I feel like a parts changer. I have not plugged the scan tool in. I have not done anything. I've just said it's coil number 1. We've got a coil. So officially load up the parts cannon. I am a parts changer. Ooh, what's that? Just in a slightly wrong position, that. Let me move this rubber around. I moved it around. Let's see. A part changer has to be right sometimes, surely. Hey! Oh yeah! I'll have to just plug the scan tool and turn the engine light off, but that is perfect. There we go. Right, this is the old one. Don't know much about it. We're going to take it for a test drive now, but the good old thermal imager, and I didn't check any code, I didn't do anything, just load up the parts cannon and fire, because at the end of the day it still could have been wiring. I really didn't think it was, but you never know. So let me take it for a test drive, reset the engine light. Actually, for the hell of it, I will plug it in and just see what the code was for the engine. And well, it had to be coil number 1. It just had to be, because it's running perfect now. Okay, we've taken it for a drive. It's the next day, because it's the next day by the time I got the vehicle back, and you can see that the engine light is still on, but I've been told, because I haven't driven it, the garage owner has driven it, and he told me it's absolutely perfect. So just for shits and giggles, well, I had to put the machine on because I had to turn the engine light off, but I said I would just plug it in to see, and look, boom, cylinder number 1. So we was definitely correct. We know we was correct, but yeah, I feel dirty. That's how part changes must feel all the time. Oh, ignition on, engine on. So there we go. Yes, should have it now deleted. Hopefully. Is it going to be deleted, or I'm going to have to do it all again because I switched the engine off, switch the engine back on again. Boom! Now, so I got the key. And there we go. Boom. Boom, diddy boom, diddy boom, boom, boom. So I am now officially a parts changer, I think. Not sure, because I got it right first time, but I didn't really do any diagnosing properly. Or is it just that I'm lucky? I'll let you decide in the comments. But yeah, thermal imager for the win. As always, hope it helps. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, links up here, links down below. But most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Boom. Oh yeah, and don't play with cats, because this is what happens when you play with cats. Look, they just destroy you. Can you hear this? Listen to the fish bite. I warned them and they didn't listen to me. Literally a week ago, not even, 4 or 5 days ago, I was told to diagnose this car for another garage. They got aftermarket coil pack. I showed it on my thermal imager, showed the coil pack gone. I said to him, look, it's not on me, but don't put aftermarket coils in. Look at this, I've disconnected it. This brand new coil. Oh, come on. Oh, is it stuck in there? Coil, brand new one, aftermarket shit is gone. I did warn them, don't know why they don't listen. And you know what the other funny thing is? They've got aftermarket ones again. Unbelievable.